Even if the governor hasn't passed the number of bills that has been passed by ADC Council, on Friday another bill of Forest Management and Control Act 2022 was passed by TTAADC. However, the three pending bill of Friday at Adivation was not passed. On Friday, one-day Adivation conference was held at Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council. In the first session of the conference, the questionnaire session was held with the various issues. MDC Sanjeev Riang, MDC Umar Shankar Riang, MDC Kanjang Mok, MDC Sipsen Liang Riang, and MDC Ganesh Debarma has raised questions. After the questionnaire session, a total of 4 new bills was proposed by ADC CEM Purno Chandra Jomatia.
Ini 15 September 2023 ni Chini salsa ni sesono jeng saita bill place kainai discussion kainai ni bagai honorable joto house ni member sono house wo place kainai ni bagai kaisa tongo Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council Trade License and Control First Amendment rules. Was almost 7 days discussion cycle. Tini salsa day to discussion kaina ni nangai. 6 number agenda Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Forest Management and Control. Bo thanai bo sung pass kaina ni tomani. Hiaba discussion ni bagai naragui dodaka. Tiga tongo Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Administration of Justice role. Bo kaina discussion kaina ni bagai thanai session no place kaipana pass kaijagya. 8 number tongo suni pramganang EM LRS bokono place kainai. Land Allotment and Use Act no place kainai. Kaya o tinta je bill bono honorable joto house ni member suni buskango discussion kainai ni bagai pramganang chairman ni thani place kai blechamba.
Among the 4 bills, 2 bills of Forest Management and Control Act 2022 bill was passed by ADC Council, but Trade License and Control Rules 2022 bill and Land Allotment and Use AGT 2022 bill was declined. After the bill of the Forest Management and Control Act 2022 was passed, it has been sent for approval to Governor, says EM Kamal Koloy.
Ini filsar kaisi bani Chini Executive Committee ni Council of Division salsani bagi Chini Honorable Chairman Sahib Sono Ringmani tini chung kaibri tini to question and answer hour bongka awan bising kaibri important kasam kaitam katal kaisa tini introduce kaijak phirka awan bising chung kaisa bill pass kaika ab bill pass kaimani bill langka Forest Management and Control Bill 2022 abno sangtini joto by samarthan khaye abno pass khaireka ke oro license and nini trade and license bill botongmani chungabo tini pass khailia ke chini administration of justice tongmani abo bahino tini chung discussion khailega ta kaisa tongmani forest land use and land allotment and land use bill tongmani abo sung pass khelia haine audition chung tei babo kok salene ni tongko kok salai abno pass khe tabo bill pass khamani chungobo rajyapal ni thani rohornai rajyapal ni thani rohoke boro esen rohor kakase chinabo bill act akare porinoto onai kintu chung age rogo je chung thaimani pore je bill rogo homani tabo khana kaisa pan sono esen riya ko kaisa pan act boro abono ti se ko bidhan sabhapati saya rajyapal bo esen riya abon bagani chung belai khadu laijak chung bill namai rohore continue customary bill jotun se important chini jung jot hodani customary bill rok ri rohor ka pass khayo jaga tau phana abrok pass khayo ya ko accept jamati ani kaisa pass ka tairo ke pass ya ko aban bagini chung chini birudi dol rok no bo sung kobokha nor wahini chung bai tongdi palkhe a bill rok no thakte pass khai tubui chini ADC ni hamkre ni bagai sung sauma khalene.
However, even if the Bill of Forest Management and Control Act 2022 has passed from the ADC Council, but only God knows when will the governor look at the bill and when will the bill be passed. Reported by Prabir from Khumulong, Chini Khorang.